Learn about diversity and inclusion. This course will explore the importance of diversity and inclusion and how to embrace the differences that we have and foster a sense of belonging while challenging biases and advocating for change and ultimately building a brighter future. Lesson 1. The introduction to diversity and inclusion, the definition, understanding the impact of inclusion and diversity in various settings, and why diversity and inclusion is important to our society and the projects. Lesson 2. Embracing differences. Exploring different dimensions of diversity, appreciating cultural differences and experiences, strategies for embracing diversity within our project. Lesson 3. Fostering belonging. Creating inclusive environments. Ensuring equal opportunities for all. Strategies for fostering a sense of belonging within our project. Lesson 4. Challenging biases. Recognizing biases and prejudice. Unlearning, re-evaluating our beliefs. Tips for challenging biases on an individual and collective level. Lesson 5. Advocating for change. Using our voice to stand up against discrimination. Supporting policies and practices that promote diversity and inclusion. Engaging in advocacy with our industry and communities. Lesson 6. Building a brighter future. The ongoing process of diversity and inclusion. The role of continuous commitment and real open-mindedness. Creating a vision. Course conclusion. Congratulations on completing our diversity and inclusion course. By embracing these differences and fostering belonging, and challenging biases, advocating for change, and also building a brighter future. These are skills that promote diversity and inclusion with your project and beyond. So remember, the journey does not end here. We continue to educate ourselves. We must listen attentively, of course, and also challenge biases and create inclusive spaces. We must advocate for change, and together we can make a positive impact and create a more inclusive world.